Persephone was born to Zeus and Demeter. Just how many children does Zeus have? He really is something, isn't he? Zeus, not satisfied with all the women he had loved, even set his sights on Demeter. But Demeter did not like Zeus's attention at all.
Why does Zeus keep following me? Oh no, there he is again. I must get away.
Demeter transformed into a cow and ran away as fast as she could. Seeing this, Zeus quickly changed into a bull and chased after her. In the end, Demeter could not escape and was caught by Zeus. And so, a child was born between them. That child was Persephone.